Hello everyone, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by ASRock. With the new introduction of the Intel 10th generation lineup, they also introduced the LG A1200 socket that supports the new batch of processors. Well, ASRock was kind enough to send us this B460 Steel Legend to check out, talk about, and unbox. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this right now. Let's go. Everything that you want to know about the motherboard is at the back of this, but we'll talk about it later. Okay, so there you go. As you see, the classic ASRock black box that has, of course, the black ASRock envelope with cable ties, card, Steel Legend card, drivers, and Steel Legend stickers that you might want to put on your PC or elsewhere, wherever you want it. Okay, so we have here some M.2 screws that you might need. Yep, set of screws and SATA cables, I/O shield. The one that we unboxed before has the built-in I/O shield, so this one has a separate I/O shield. And of course, the manual, quick start guide, and software startup guide. And the ASRock B460 motherboard, all sealed here. And voila! It has cable ties in to protect the back of the motherboard. So I will not be removing it here, but you'll see it after. The ASRock B460 Steel Legend is one of the more affordable yet reasonably equipped B460 motherboards in the market. If overclocking or running high DDR4 memory frequencies are not your thing, then a B460 board is what you want to go for. The PCB is designed with an urban camo silk screening. The ASRock B460 Steel Legend motherboard is a mid-range board that offers a pair of heatsink-covered Ultra M.2 slots, an optional Wi-Fi card, a front USB Type-C header, and a decent amount of RGB on board, which could be added onto with the 2 RGB headers and 2 ARGB headers. Do note that if the M.2 is occupied with a SATA Type M.2 device, SATA 3 will be disabled. When it comes to expansion slots, you have 2 PCIe 3.0 by 16 slots running at a single PCIe by 16, dual at PCIe by 16 and PCIe by 4, and 2 PCIe 3.0 by 1 slots. The top by 16 slot features ASRock steel armor. The ASRock B460 Steel Legend is equipped with 4 DDR4 DIMM slots that supports up to DDR4 2933 MHz speed with a total capacity of up to 128GB across its 4 slots. This includes supports for memory with Extreme Memory Profile or XMP 2.0 profile. As far as the audio goes, ASRock is using Realtek ALC 1200 audio codec. You can see the Nichicon Fine Gold series audio caps as well as the PCB isolated shielding for the audio section of the board. While the ASRock B460 Steel Legend uses a Realtek RTL8125BG chipset for its connectivity. The LAN connectivity supports up to 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet. And also, there is a total of 6 fan headers spread along the board. Lastly, rear I/O ports consist of 1 antenna bracket, 1 PS2 mouse or keyboard port, 1 HDMI port, 1 display port 1.4, 1 optical SPDIF out port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, 1 LAN port with LED, and lastly, the HD audio jacks. Well, that's my unboxing of this ASRock B460 Steel Legend motherboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification button if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, again, this is Kang, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye, everyone!